When life knocks you down, and life will knock you down, try to land on your back. Because if you can look up, you can get up. Welcome to Fire with Dr. Ninja Turtle.
I created this video from my RV at the lake during Memorial Day weekend. So that's the background that you see, which is the bedroom of the RV, because I've been here for a day. My wife arrived earlier, and right now she's outside walking the puppy. So I'm able to record this video during the time that she's outside. I also have this new ring light, which gives me very good lighting here at the RV. So I will be doing more videos from the RV, and hopefully I'll be using this ring light when I go live this weekend, because I've now hit 500 subscribers. Hi everybody, welcome back to Fire with Dr. Ninja Turtle. I shot this video in 4K and couldn't get it off of my phone, so I'm re-recording this video today. Just so you know, being a YouTuber, everything does not go perfectly. So in this video, I'm going to talk about a reaction video to my friend Life with T 76. She just did a video about how personal finance is personal. And I wanted to do the same 3 items that she did, but talk about how we're similar and how we're different. She believes in being debt-free. I have a lot of debt. We're both building wealth. So personal finance is personal. The first thing that T talked about was split finances. And her husband split their finances. And that's what my wife and I do. So in that way, we're similar. My wife and I, we put our money into a joint account for the household bills. After that, everybody's money is their own. All we care about is paying for the joint expenses. Where we differ is in her second item, which is that she pays for everything on her credit card to get her rewards points. I do not pay for everything on my credit card because I used to be very irresponsible with credit cards. I did the balance transfer credit cards in the past, where I built up about 7 different credit cards and quite a high balance. Well, I had a rental in Vermont where I raised the value of that rental by painting the entire house by hand by myself. It took me all summer to paint the outside of that building, but I raised the value, and I went to the bank and I said, I want an equity line of credit against this property. I do not pay for everything with my credit card because I am not a responsible credit card user, and I know that. I have one credit card. I've had that one credit card for many, many years because a bank took all of my credit cards, cut them up, paid them off with the equity from one of my properties, and said, we'll give you this one credit card to replace all of those that we had to cut up because of your balance transfers. So I have one credit card. I use that one credit card. I have a couple of very small credit cards because I'm very paranoid about cybersecurity. So I have a tiny one that I have connected to Amazon. So if anybody ever breaches my Amazon account, the most they're going to spend is $300. That's it. And then another card is the Sam's Club card. As I've mentioned, I use Sam's Club quite a bit. There's a very low balance on that card, credit limit. And so therefore, I don't buy much, so I don't need a high credit limit. So if anybody gets my Sam's Club card, what are they going to spend? $500. So my point is that I keep my credit card limit low, even on my one main credit card, because my credit card is either 0 or it's maxed out. Those are the only 2 ways I use my credit card. So I keep that limit low. And so I don't use a credit card for everything. I only use my credit card when I travel and when I go to Walmart. So very low usage on my credit card. The third thing that T talks about is being 1 month ahead on her bills. I have never been 1 month ahead. I'm trying to get 1 month ahead. I like that she can sleep soundly by having 1 month in her checking account. What I do is I have the money come in every month before the bills are due. The difference is that I have a pension, And so my pension comes in on the 1st of the month, and all of my household bills are due on the 11th of the month or after. So I do have the money sitting there every month, guaranteed by the US government, that my bills will be paid on time every month. So I automate everything in my finances so that if I'm traveling, no matter where I am, my bills are going to be paid. And that's the part that I love about personal finance being personal, is I get to automate everything in my finances. The last thing I'm going to share is please like and subscribe so that when I get monetized, I can share the proceeds with the homeless. That is the goal of my channel. Thank you for watching.